to another episode of Products in Detail, the series where we take an in-depth look at our favourite products and processes. In today's episode we're going to be covering clay bar. We're going to be talking about what it is, why use it, and what it's going to do for your paintwork. So today we're going to be using our smooth surface clay kit. Now in this kit you get 2 bars of clay, you get your microfiber towel and your Quik detailer. This is our go-to for lubrication for the clay bar. Before you get going, make sure you always break the bar in half. So we're making sure to cut the clay bar solely because if we drop this piece on the floor, we have a spare piece ready. So tips for using the clay bar: get it nice and malleable in your fingers, because the softer and stickier you get it, the easier it is to work it on the surface. Now the reason we're using clay today is to remove above surface contaminants from the paintwork. Now these are things that are sitting on the paintwork and make it feel rough or sticky to the touch. So we're using the clay to prep the surface before doing any kind of paint correction, whether or not it's swirl removal, polishing or waxing. So the kind of things that are going to sit on your paintwork and make it feel rough to the touch are things like tree sap, industrial fallout and road tar. So even if you can't see the contaminants on the paintwork, if you run your hand over the paint, you're definitely going to feel them and you're definitely going to hear them. So now I've got the clay nice and malleable, I'm going to show you how to use it on the surface of your paint. First of all, get your Quik detailing spray and lubricate the surface. You want to get this nice and wet. Now in small sections, work in a cross-hatch formation. So left and right, then up and down, avoiding circles as you might miss areas. So a key thing to know about clay is it's non-abrasive. So you're gently eroding the above surface contaminants, you're not abrading the surface. So once you've worked an area, simply grab your microfiber towel and wipe off. So as you can see, the clay is getting quite contaminated and quite dirty. Now before trying it on another panel, what you want to do is to make sure is to knead it and fold it. This way you've got a nice, clean, fresh bit of clay ready for the next panel. A nice little added bonus about using clay is that you can use it on your glass. Now if you've got a coating on there that you don't want, or it's come back from the body shop and has a slight bit of overspray on there, or it has fallout on it as well as the paint, you can use clay to remove it. Something to keep in mind when you are using clay bar, it will remove wax from the surface of your car. So if you have used it to remove any contaminants, just be mindful that it has removed that wax as well. So make sure you top it up using your wax. For more information on waxing and polishing, just click this link here. And that's it for another episode of Products in Detail. Today we've talked about our clay system and how it can safely erode above surface contaminants such as road tar or overspray. We've also shown you how you can use it to prep the surface before polishing, compounding or waxing. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified on when the next Meguiars video is released. Also, if you want to see your favourite Meguiars product in detail, just drop us a comment down below. We'll do our very best to cover it.